Good morning, everyone. My name is Fran from fsfran.com. Today is July 24th, 2019. Current time is almost 6:20 Pacific time in the morning. Okay, we do two parts. First part is my trading plan. The trading plan for longer term, a little bit longer term. My longer term is really short term. Okay, so about 16 pick or 20 pick stock. This is kind of like a longer term. And my trading panel. And also I will share some $1 million of the idea. I believe that costs $1 million idea at the end. So that's how I do this video. I'm going to decide to do this video. I do this Chinese and then a few days and then do English few days. I try to do it both, but I think that too much time to do that. All right, so first of all, the trading plan. All right, we all can see this 4-hour chart market going down fast. All right, so I reached this zone. This zone is an old zone. It's an old time zone. It's from long time, which is kind of like a lower low of the current history. Okay, we'll bring down right here. This is April's low on this area, and here's May, and then all the way to here. Okay, we see a zone. It doesn't mean we need to trade it right there. All right, so but it's kind of like we need to make a decision in this area. So the market going down. So currently at this zone, okay, if you buying from here, it's good. You have 20 picks profit already. All right, so this is 4-hour chart. So the market going down, normally we don't buy, but I believe if the market get back to here and pull up another week, then we can buy. If the market reach this top, you may want to sell. Okay, 1.1155 area. All right, so this is my longer term trading plan. You see a lot of trade here. Okay, I did shorter trade. I do 7 pick stock. Why I do that? All right, so the reason today I share why I do shorter term and what is the area you need to watch. All right, so the trading plan is you can buy from here if you see a week, and you can sell from here, and then you prepare to accept a stop. All right, I bring a smaller time frame to explain. Trading is just like any other things, okay? Like sport, you need to practice. You need to practice, or you need to have a lot of game experience. If you trade like a 100 pick stock or 200 pick stock, which is not a real trading, okay? It's kind of like an investing. You don't invest in currency. Currency, you have nothing to invest. You can invest in gold, right? The gold is like, okay, the gold will long term will go up, right? Because many reasons, inflation, those things. And you can invest in company. You say, oh, this company has a better future, so I buy in and then I hold it long time. And normally, if you're not going out of business, you will see profit, huge profit sometimes. But that's investing. And now we are talking about trading like this. If trading, you need practice. You need to trade, you need to practice every day, just like if you play basketball. Okay, it doesn't matter how good you are, Stephen Curry. If he doesn't practice for, let's say, a month, he will do totally different. He won't be able to maintain his competition level. So that is the reason you need to trade. You need to trade often, or maybe depend on your risk level. I do this And also, you have to trade it in the real money. Okay, you don't trade the demo account, the fake money. You trade this not only because you need to improve your skill, you get to have your improve your mental psychology side. That's more important. Like we all know, the skill is really easy. Everybody can pick up how to trade easily. But in a real competition, right? If you shoot every day, like a Stephen Curry, if you don't play with competitors, you don't play a real game, you can't improve that. Oh, you shoot well, and then somebody go in front of your face, you don't know how to do it. All right, that's basketball. It's any sport, you have to do it, real things. And trading as well, you can't just trade the fake money. You have to trade the real money to experience that. You got to trade every day. You got to trade harder. You have to understand your weakness to overcome your weakness. That's the reason why you need to trade often. Okay, if you trade often, you put 200 pick stop. You can't trade often, right? 200 pick stop. So that's why I do 7 pick stop. All right, so if you are interested in this kind of trading, you can leave comment because I don't want to get into that much. Okay, you see my user ID is called loop word trading. Okay, why I call loop word? This loop word is a kind of like a shorter game, right? So you have a middle line and both line. If you pull somebody over to your side, you win right away. You don't pull a mile. You just put like about uh, six feet or something like that. The shorter, you win faster, you lose faster. Of course, you get to pull hard. That's why it's called loop word trading. That's how I maintain this trading competition level. All right. So when you trade short, really important. You need to know when to trade, when to not trade. Because let's say 7 pick, it's easy to get stop out. Okay. If you get stop out, then you say, okay, I have to trade again. Now you get stop out again. Now you lose your total emotion coolness. So at that time, you probably overtrade. Okay, we all know overtrade will kill your account. No doubt about that. All right, everybody understand that. Overtrade will kill your account. Guaranteed. Now, when you trade smaller stock, you risk overtrading. Your execution plan is much more important. That's why you need to trade the smaller stock because you need to improve your execution level. You say, okay, I get stop out, fine. The chance I get stop out is there. This is business. I can't win every time. Just like you play basketball, if you win every single time, you lose interest at all. Nobody can beat you, right? So you can guarantee to win every single time. If you're an adult, you play with trial. You win every single time, but you're not interested, right? Nobody want to play a competition sport with a really little person, all right? A younger generation, not in your competition level. You're not interested at all. You probably play with fun and then give them some experience, but you need competition. You want to win or lose sometime, right? So you use smaller stock, then you win sometime, you lose sometime. But you cannot keep trading, overtrade. It's just like you do the loop walk. You lose 3 times, you finish, okay? You go back a trade or you relax, you come back to trade again. You can't just like, okay, I do it whole day long. You lose your mind, you lose your money, you lose all the game, all right? It doesn't matter how strong you are. If you trade, you do the competition loop walk whole day long, a weaker team can beat you. Guarantee that. So same as this, same as trading. It's really important. You trade the shorter term, keep up your competition level, improve your training skill, mental skill. You know there's a huge risk involved that. I don't recommend you do it like what I do, but you need to practice. what I suggest is you have a real account, okay? Let's say you trade like 10,000. You put $500 small account to practice it, practice it, practice both your skill and the mental things. If you lose 500, fine. You know, everybody go to the gym, pay money, right? We go to the gym, we pay money. Sometimes we hire a coach. That is the cost you must pay to make you better. You can't just say, okay, I want to build some muscle. Of course, the other thing is you build your own gym, right? You build your own gym. Or you just pay a little fee. You don't have to build your own gym. You build your own gym, you buy all this equipment. It doesn't make sense, right? You go to the public gym, you pay some money. That's it. That's how you train yourself. And then that's why you, even though you don't want to trade, use your whole account, you divide a little account to trade together, trade to practice. And then you say, okay, I did good. I can control emotion. I lost. Okay, I take the loss. That's it. I win. I enjoy my win. Sometimes you're overconfident. You win and then wow, I make like 10 trades in a row. Okay, I'm the god. And you overtrade again. You overestimate yourself. Actually, it's not okay. Even though you practice, you do very well, and then you go to the real competition. Even Golden State Warriors, they lost this year, right? A very strong team, can lose. So when you trade, you learn how to manage your emotion, how to execute your trading plan. Your trading plan have a number of trades you want to take, and then once you reach that, you're done. You're fine. All right. So you don't trade it again. It doesn't matter. You lose or win. That is self-control. What people say, discipline. All right. I don't like the term of discipline. Discipline, as a human being, cannot be 100% by yourself. Okay, when you do it by yourself, we talk about by yourself. It cannot be done. We talk about responsibility. You screw up, fine. Fix your own mess. That's your responsibility. All right. You can screw up, but you fix it. All right. There's many things I want to share that. But every day I will give you my trading plan and some called $1 million idea. I hope you like it, and then you share it with everybody. Okay. After that, I will show you how I do 7 pick stock. All right. I get in right here. 7 pick stock. I hope you can see that. I have to put this right there. Cannot maybe do it smaller. So I try to put this. You can see. Okay. All right. I get in right here. I get 7 pick stock. Okay. 1.11529. I get 7 point stop. Right. So the market reach here. Not 7 pick. 1.11557. Okay. About 3 pick. More than 3 pick. Boom, and go down. Go down. When you do small trading account, smaller stop, you also win smaller. Okay. I see it go down and then I get out. I get out 1.11436. I make about 9 picks. I reach 7 picks, I make 9 picks. All right. They said, oh, wow, you missed this much. Yes. Next time I will talk about trading risk. Trading risk. There are many trading risks, including lose money and other things. And on next video, I will share trading risk. It's really important topic. You got to understand there's many trading risks for next time. All right, so I do this. I could get out here, and if I reach 2%, I make more than 2% on that. Okay, I do a lot of smaller things, but I don't do all the time. I do a little bit. Okay, this is my trading time. I do a little bit right here. All right, I think I sell it at 1.11573, and then I bought it here. Okay, I'm sorry, 1.11577. Okay, and this time I do I think I did a 7 pick as well. Okay, 1.11. Okay, this is a 7 pick. Okay, 1.11577. It went down to here 1.11512. All right, almost 7 pick. All right, this is back trade. Okay, so then what happened? As soon as I see it give me an opportunity, I get out right here. I have to put this. Okay, 1.11573. I got lost 0.4 picks. All right, plus the commission. All right. When you do smaller trade, you got to have a really tight stop, really tight spread. So I get 0.3 or 0.1 spread. Right, then I buy here. Okay, I see an opportunity. All right, I buy here 1.11522, and then I get out here. I'm sorry, I do it slow. I don't want to waste everybody's time. So, but this is, I cannot, 1.11570 should be somewhere like here. I should see a three minutes chart. I see a pink bar, and then I close it. All right, I got 3 picks stop, but I don't really want, I see any opportunity, any reverse signal, I get out. Okay, I trade against the trade. All right, so if you trade like this, you can trade against the trend because you just need 7 pick. Right, you reach 7 pick, and so I did against the trend twice, right here and right here, because I believe the market will reverse. It doesn't. But I do not. I lose a little bit. I win a little bit. But then after that, okay, I quit. Okay, you don't see any this arrow. So that means I didn't trade anymore until here. I trade 1, and then I make enough. All right. So, and it's not I make enough. I practice enough. All right. So today that's it, and then I share the idea. $1 million idea. I believe that. I hope you like it, and share my video and give me thumbs up and do whatever encourage me to do more. I do Chinese, English, wherever. Give me more, and then I focus a little bit more on this. All right, that's it for today. Hopefully, I can see you tomorrow. Hopefully, I can see more light or sharing. All right, bye now.